Baby Shiro Neko price prediction. Baby Shiro surges 28% as a whale buys $500,000 of this cat-themed rival amid Coinbase listing speculation. The Baby Shiro Neko price surged 28% in the last 24 hours to trade at $0.003099 as of 2:30 a.m. EST on trading volume that skyrocketed 287% to $8.9 million. Baby Shiro Neko price gearing up towards a bullish continuation trend. The Baby Shiro Neko price is currently trading above the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, which serves as a strong indicator of bullish momentum. Additionally, the 50-day SMA itself is sloping upward, reinforcing the bullish sentiment in the short term. The recent rise in price, coupled with increasing volume, suggests that buyers are gaining control. According to data from GeckoTerminal, a cup and handle pattern forms on the chart, highlighted by the yellow curve. This is a classic bullish continuation pattern that suggests a breakout may occur if the price successfully clears the resistance at the top of the cup at $0.003147. The handle portion appears near completion, and the price may soon test and attempt to break the resistance zone around $0.0035. A successful breakout from this pattern could lead to a strong upward move, potentially targeting higher price levels. Meanwhile, the RSI is currently at 57.85, which is in the neutral to bullish range. This indicates that the price is not overbought, leaving room for further upward movement. The RSI has recovered from lower levels, below 40 earlier, signaling renewed buying pressure. The ADX, which measures the strength of a trend, is at 31.46. An ADX value above 25 confirms that the market is trending, and the current reading suggests that the trend is moderately strong. The upward slope of the ADX line indicates that the bullish trend is gaining strength. Baby Shiro Neko price prediction. The next Baby Shiro Neko price major resistance is at $0.0035, which aligns with the top of the cup and handle formation. Breaking this level would likely trigger further bullish movement. If the Baby Shiro Neko price keeps rising, the bulls could push Baby Shiro to the next possible resistance at $0.0040. However, if the Baby Shiro Neko price bears take charge, Baby Shiro could plunge back to the 50-day SMA at $0.002534, which now serves as a dominant support level. Meanwhile, investors are rushing to buy the newly launched meme coin Cat Slap, which has just snared a whale purchase of almost $500,000 from a wallet funded by Coinbase. According to Clay Bro, a prominent crypto analyst with over 131K subscribers, Cat Slap could be the next meme coin to surge 50x. Cat Slap meme coin, best crypto to buy now? Cat Slap is priced at $0.005429 after a 75% surge in the last 24 hours on a trading volume of $2.4 million, according to CoinGecko. This token, introduced on the Ethereum network, boasts a fully diluted market cap of more than $53 million and locked liquidity of $5.5 million. Players compete globally via its slapometer, tallying slaps in a game that fosters an addictive, competitive environment. Its slapometer has gone into overdrive already, with more than 100 million slaps unleashed and counting. The team is burning slap tokens when slapping milestones are reached, and so far, more than 52.8 million slap worth more than $335,000 have been burned. CatSlap appears well positioned to follow the success of cat-themed token rivals like PopCat, MEW, and MOG. Its hot token status on Best Wallet, a fast-growing crypto wallet, connects it to over 60,000 users, boosting visibility and momentum. CatSlap's staking feature offers a sustainable 40% return. Interested investors should buy before what the team says will be a major announcement in less than 2 days because there is market speculation that it could be a listing on Coinbase. When Pepe listed on Coinbase recently, its price went into orbit.